Hey everybody, today is day 5 of our mega summer road trip and it's checkout day from here at Camp Margaritaville where we stayed for our Gatlinburg and Dollywood and Pigeon Forge adventures. The location is just perfect. It's like 8 minutes to Dollywood and it was like 15 minutes to Gatlinburg. Even with the traffic, there is a bypass you can take around it, but we kind of wanted to drive through the strip just to see it since we had never been to Gatlinburg before. But you can see those full videos on Dollywood and Gatlinburg and what we did those days. But in this video, I want to share with you our stay here and what it was like, because it was great. This is part RV and part lodge. So we're in the lodge, in the like hotel building. All right, woohoo! Camp Margaritaville RV Resort and Lodge. So yeah, it's an RV resort and it's a lodge, and we obviously don't have an RV, so we're staying in the lodge part. Oh, look at that. Cool, yeah, really colorful, really pretty. So I see a bunch of RVs over there. Now we'll see what it's like. Yeah, there's a pool right there. Ooh, look, they're building a lazy river. So I'm gonna share with you our check-in day and a room tour, the pool, the dinner, and all that. So let's get into it. The room is really pretty and bright, but first thing I want to show you is the view. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh, cool. You can see down there where they're building the lazy river. It's got that bright, clean, beachy feel you'd expect from a Margaritaville with the added touch of the Tennessee Great Smoky Mountains theming. Cool thing we noticed here in this Great Smoky Mountains National Park poster is Clingman's Dome. That's where we went in our day 2 video. It was so cool. Now we just have to go to all the rest of them. Oh, it's his license to chill in it. Cute. It's getting a little bit later into the evening and closer to sunset, and the view is spectacular out here. All right, let's go take a look around downstairs. I like the way everything is beachy, oceany colors with a light wood, and the floor even looks like waves. Like it looks like the white caps on waves. So we're back in the main lobby. They have a lot going on downstairs. They have a breakfast buffet in the morning here at Finn's. So let's take a look downstairs, see what things look like. Oh, wow. It's like a whole second lobby with a fireplace, a shop, an arcade. They use those directional signs they use at a lot of resorts. Oh yeah, to watch like the sports. Looks like there's a bar in there. Oh, a big arcade, wow. What do we got over here? Duck pin bowling. Oh my gosh, how fun. It really is like a very vacation-y resort. Look at these like log stumps. They also have couches too, but cute.
How are you guys doing?
Good, how are you? Ooh! Oh, let's see.
Yeah.
What do we do?
You can control it.
I love this kind of like slow.
What's your favorite color if you were going to have a
Purple.
purple?
What do you say? How cool.
Oh.
Oh, neat. Oh, green is cool too.
And we can change the bottom.
That is so neat.
Now it looks like Halloween.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, that's really neat. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Super cool. And so here's another room. It looks like there's room for a lot of stuff. There's little games, there's darts, and then out here we can see Lazy River coming soon. So they're hoping for like mid-August for this to open. So that would be really cool. A lazy river, I mean, takes the cake, you know?
Bar out there too.
Ooh, nice. By the way, this whole resort is like fairly new here on the scene in the Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area. I love a resort that has infused water in the lobby. By the way, this resort is pet friendly. So the first night we were here, there was an incredible lightning storm. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It's just happening so fast. That's why I'm like, oh my gosh. I've never seen lightning so fast. What? We can't hear any thunder. This is... I'm speechless. Yeah, this is... I've never seen anything like this. Ah! It is just going on and on like this. It's like a strobe light. Good morning. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's nice. But hold on. There's a screen here which we like. Keep the buggies out. Oh yeah. So that's where they're building the lazy river down there. And we didn't hear any construction at all. When we checked in, they gave us like a slip of paper that said you may hear construction noise. We haven't heard a peep, not a peep. What a beautiful day. We woke up the next day and hit Dollywood. It was really hot, but we had a very fun day. That night, we slept hard. The bed is so soft and we just had a great night's sleep. Definitely nice to come back here after a long day out.
It's got like a, definitely got a vibe to this little place that I like, you know?
Yeah, and we were just talking about how we like that it's really easy to park here and it's easy to like come in and out. It's got a very chill vibe, we like it. What beautiful vibes. Woo.
Your destination is on the right.
Yes. Check this out. It looks like the trolley that goes around Pigeon Forge comes here too, so that's good to know. It probably takes guests out into the area. Look how cool the pool looks too.
Oh my god, I would go on that right now. Can I? Can I, baby?
The next day we woke up and headed to Gatlinburg, and you can see a video on what we did there. It was so much fun. We did the sky lift and sky bridge, some cool attractions over there. We did an alpine coaster in Pigeon Forge. After Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, we got back to the hotel early enough to have dinner at Finn's. We really enjoyed that. We're coming back from another day of being out. We went all around Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge. We had so much fun. And now we are gonna enjoy more of what Camp Margaritaville has to offer. Like dinner, right? It's cheeseburger in paradise, Jimmy Buffett.
Anything in paradise.
AC paradise. We're definitely gonna have dinner at Finn's tonight. All right, we have been seated. Let's see what's on the menu. Ooh. After a long day out in the sun in Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, we are hungry. So we got the fried green tomatoes and we each are ordering an appetizer. So we're gonna try out what Finn's has to offer. And of course it has the Margaritaville vibe and music playing. You got a view out here of the like front area. It's connected to the pool and a bar and grill over there. First up, we've got some nice looking fried green tomatoes. It looks like they've got candied pecans on them and like crumbled cheese. This looks great. Those are really good. I've never had fried green tomatoes like this before, but it is so good. With the candied pecans and goat cheese and the sauce that's on it, it's like a sweet and savory dish. This is really surprising. And I thought it was just gonna be like normal fried green tomatoes. This is so good. All right, our entrees have arrived. I got coconut shrimp, Caesar salad. Sam got barbecue chicken, fries and coleslaw. We are gonna chow down. All right, we had a very enjoyable dinner down here at Finn's, very chill vibe, and we liked our food. Now we're gonna go back up to the room and chill for a little bit. You will hear dogs once in a while. This is a pet-friendly hotel, which is really cool. Back to the room to chill, because we got a license to chill. Then came back up to the room, changed, and went down to the pool and the hot tub for a bit. Pool time. Here we go. Pool's open till 10 tonight. Very cool. There's a live band playing. Let's see, is it cold? Oh, warm. Here we go. Okay, cool. I thought that was an edge. See a slide. Let's go see if the slide's open. I can't tell. Ooh. Oh, I guess you just, there we go. Slide rules. Okay. There's no one up here, so I guess it's just a free-for-all. Is it on? I don't see any, like, I don't think it's on. It does look cool, but earlier I saw like someone up here, so maybe it's closed. I don't know, we'll just enjoy the pool.
Alright, he comes in.
Okay. There's a hot tub though. There is a hot tub. There's a hot tub. Yeah, oh, it's toasty. Oh, it does feel good. The pool's already really warm, but a hot tub's always good. And with the live band, it's fun. The chillest spot I could think of to watch the sunset from in a hot tub with the live band playing. Also a campfire out here, so I'm hoping that they will light this when the sun goes down. We'll see. Maybe they only do that when it's cold out. There's like a little shallow part and then it goes into the deeper part, but I'm all about the hot tub right now. Even though we were hot all day.
All right. Yeah. Just, you know, she's known Jimmy since like he was, you know, on his 32nd house.
You just gotta put on your swim diapers.
All right, time to go back up to the room. Let's see, can I go this way? That's the way I came down the stairs, but you can't go back up. I gotta go this way. Oh, cool. Okay. Gonna get washed up now. Good morning from checkout day. What an awesome stay it's been here. Oh, we're tired. Time to get ready to hit the road again. And that brings us to today, checkout day. I hope that you have enjoyed this first week of the trip where we traversed from Florida to Georgia to North Carolina to Tennessee, did a bunch of Tennessee adventures. We really enjoyed being in Great Smoky Mountains National Park and doing all the cool stuff here. And now it is time to head to the Midwest. As I mentioned, there is kind of a heat wave over like almost the whole country, but the sky is blue, everything's beautiful. We're still in great spirits and we're really excited to keep adventuring. So thank you so much to everyone for all the love, all the kindness, and just being there with us for this very, very memorable adventure. There's a lot more to come. Thank you so much to Camp Margaritaville for all the awesomeness. We are definitely hooked on staying at Margaritavilles here in the Tennessee area. So as always, I'm sending you guys a ton of love. I'll see you for the next video, and until then, as always, stay enthused. Bye. Bye, Camp Margaritaville. It was so fun. See you next time.